If my salary was 100,000 per year, how much goes to taxes in each country? Germany,
45%, meaning $45,000 is gone.
England,
About in 25% in your income, that means $25,000.
France,
30%, meaning $30,000.
India,
About 25% of your income going to the tax. That means $25,000.
Australia,
Between 32% and 35%. So you lost between $32,000 and $35,000.
USA,
Almost 30% between state and federal. That's about $30,000.
Sweden,
About 55%, meaning $55,000 flights off your pocket.
Dubai,
We talk about this all the time. It's not 50, it's not 30, it's always 0%. You keep the full $100,000.